Hello guys, this is a quick review of this battery daddy. I got this as a gift from my daughter. So I've been using for some time. It's pretty good. So let me show how it works. So basically here you have two latches that allows you to open it up. And here we go. You have different spaces for all type of batteries. Here, for example, you have AAA. And there's a lot of slots so you can use them, right? And here you have big ones, a lot of space for them as well. This other side, more spaces for AAA, big ones here. And I use this space for batteries like these ones, right? Like for example, this CR2450 and other ones, 3 volts batteries. And they're pretty good, right? And this kit also comes with this tool, so you can measure your battery. Let's say, for example, this one. Just take a look here at the polarity. So you see the right side and you put them here like this. And let me just put the correct way and you see that's good, right? So now I'm sure the battery is good and I can use it. And just remove this, put it back so I can show something else. Because here in this other side, when you close it that way, with the latch here, and you turn to the other side, you see also that you have more space for batteries here. I'm just opening it up so you can see that I have more space for AA batteries, a lot of them. So I don't use that much, but still good for what I do on my day-to-day, right? So pretty good one. And you can get this one for your daddy or for you if you're the daddy looking at this video, right? So I've been using this for a while. I like it and I recommend it.